In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an image in Google Slides, a handy skill for any presentation creator who wants to ensure that their images stay in place while content is manipulated around them. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, making it straightforward and easy to follow. First, to get started, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to sign in to your Google account to access your presentations. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. From here you have a couple of options. You can either open an existing presentation or start fresh by clicking on a blank presentation. Alternatively, you might want to use one of the many templates available, which you can select right from the homepage. For this demonstration, let's go with a new blank presentation. Now that your presentation is open, we need to address the method of ensuring your images stay put. While Google Slides doesn't offer a direct way to lock images like other programs might, there's an effective workaround. Begin by arranging your slide with the image exactly where you want it. Once you're satisfied, let's move to the next step. Click on File in the top menu of your Google Slides window. From the File drop-down, select Download. You'll see a variety of format options available. For our purposes, choose JPEG image, JPG, current slide, or PNG image, PNG, current slide. Either format will work, but PNG is generally preferred if you need a high quality image. Once downloaded, the slide is now an image itself, effectively locking all its elements in place. Go back to your presentation in Google Slides and insert this newly downloaded image into the slide. You can do this by navigating to Insert in the menu, selecting Image and then Upload from Computer. Locate the file you just downloaded and click Open. With the image now inserted, it appears exactly as your slide previously did, but now all components are fixed in place because they're part of this unified image. Adjust it to fit the slide if necessary by dragging from the corners so the proportions remain intact. And there you have it, your slide is now effectively locked as a single image. This way your images and other design elements remain stationary, giving you the freedom to add text or other objects without fear of disrupting your layout. Remember, this method is a nifty workaround, especially when multiple elements need to stay in a particular arrangement. Practice a couple of times, and you'll be locking images like a pro in no time. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Google Slides.